He's a twat, see? I can't ever do one when I come out with him.
Just idiots messing about.
Who are you talking to?
Nobody.
Oh.
They think they'll leave back to the camera. As they say, one going about.
Good morning. From a cold Cwm Nant Dyar. Fingers crossed you'll be able to see me. Whoa! Right, good morning. From a quite dark Cwm Nant Dyar. Or I should say, welcome to another video. I didn't think I would be doing another video for my YouTube channel, but I'm inspired today to come and photograph something. The photograph itself won't be particularly good because of the position of the thing that I want to photograph, but I think it's worth coming to show you this particular place and that particular tree above me. I'm in Cwm Nant Dyar, which is part of the Clydach Gorge range of little valleys and streams. This is a tributary to the Afon Clydach, which eventually winds its way down to the As and then on to the Severn at Chepstow. But this particular valley is better known for the Viaduct Falls, which is about 1/4 mile back behind me. The river above the falls normally hasn't got much water, but we had a fair drop of rain for the last couple of days, so Bob and I came yesterday to explore. He's not been up here before, and so I thought I would bring him to show him what it was like. We came up to a part where we are now that I'd not been to before. There's a small waterfall. I say small, it's probably bigger than the falls at Viaduct Falls. Looking at it, it's probably about 12 feet tall, and it runs into a splash pool. But the reason that I've come today is to photograph the beech tree over my right shoulder. Bob spotted it yesterday and said, have a little look at that, Al, what do you think? And it is pretty magnificent. I don't know whether you can actually see it from there, but it's overhanging the cliff top, and we reckon you can't actually get down to it, or you can't get up to it. We reckon it probably is about 4 meters in girth, it might be 5. It's absolutely huge. Photographically it's not great, but it's a great specimen, and what I plan to do is to photograph it and put it on the Woodland Trust's Ancient Tree Inventory, which is a place where they keep all interesting trees, whether they be ancient, veteran, or just particularly interesting trees. I'm not sure of the how a tree is categorized from a veteran to an ancient. There must be an age thing on it, but certainly it's worth photographing it before it falls down, because if you look from the other side, it literally is hanging over the gorge, and at some point when we've had dry weather and wet weather, that's going to go. It's bedded into the rocks up there as far as I can see. But yeah, the only thing being now, I'm either going to shoot it handheld or I'm going to have to go back to my car, because I came out in a bit of a rush. Bob turned up late and I was eager to get up here before the sun sort of got around to a particular spot, and I've left my tripod in the car. So I might, it's a drop of about 300 feet down, so I might drop back, get my tripod and come back and photograph it like that, because it is quite dark, so I'll need to put my camera on a tripod, I think. So I'll bring you back when I've decided what I'm going to do. Oh, I'm out of puff. So I've returned with my tripod. Hopefully you can hear this. I'll just give you a quick look of this place. When we came here yesterday, Bob came up onto this platform that I'm here, noticed this hole in the gorge wall. God, there's another tree that's, I don't know whether you can actually see that up there, that's really hanging over as well as the one that on that, and that's got quite a girth on it. But he saw this hole yesterday, and I assumed that it was something to do with caving, because we're in a particular area that's known for having caves. This is a limestone outcrop. Yesterday we passed a hole that had a cave in it, so I wonder whether this is I'll look back, I'll have a look when I go back to see if it is a proper cave-in entrance. You can't actually see in there, and I'm not got a torch with me, so. But anyway, looks like the light has moved over from the tree to the back side. The sun is up that side now. There's a little bit of light here, but before I left I took a couple of handheld shots. As I said, it's not one photographically that I think will work well, but I'm photographing it for a website, and I will put a link down below of the Woodland Trust Ancient Tree Inventory site, so that maybe you can have a little look on it in your particular area and see if there are any interesting trees, whether they be ancient, veteran, or just particularly interesting. I think I'm going to investigate the site more and have a look at trees locally. This one I checked when I got home last night and is not on there, so that was a reason to come back and photograph it this morning. I'm steaming up now because I chased myself down there and chased myself back up, and I'm out of breath and I'm sweating. So anyway, let's take a couple of shots, and if you see anything, but try again. So I'm going to take a few shots on different areas, investigate, and if I've got anything worth showing you, I will show you them now.